Hi, it's Joe Mazumdar from Exploration Insights at the Metal Investor Forum in Vancouver, Canada. Now with me, I've got the CEO of Fireweed Zinc, Brendan Macdonald.
Good to see you, Joe.
And Fireweed Zinc has just come up, less than a year ago. And what makes Fireweed Zinc right now in this buoyant zinc market? How does it show up as being different than its peer group right now?
Yeah, you say we're a new company. We had an IPO last year. So still, I think, just maybe not below the radar, but just getting on it. I think what makes us different is the quality of our project. We just put out a new mineral resource estimate. 11.2 million tons indicated at 9.6% zinc equivalent, and 39 million tons inferred at 10% zinc equivalent. So by all metrics, this is a big and high-grade project.
And so also location, the jurisdiction is good, like everybody likes the Yukon, but infrastructurally you're a bit challenged.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that we benefit from is being in a fantastic mining jurisdiction of Yukon, which is very popular with majors these days who are looking at gold there, and Goldcorp having bought Kaminak a couple of years ago. We have a road to our project. It's a government-maintained road, but as you say, it needs to be upgraded to haul concentrate, and it's a non-trivial distance to port.
And right now, besides this resource, you're working on a scoping study to show the market how you quantify some of these issues around infrastructure, advancing your metallurgy. Are those the big items in this scoping study that's coming up? Yeah,
so the PEA, the Preliminary Economic Assessment, which should be finished late March, early April, we hope, I think is going to shed light on, in light of the infrastructure issue and how our distance to port, what margin do we have on these tons? Ultimately, despite what I believe is the exploration upside, if you do not have margin on existing tons, adding additional tons does not matter. So we really hope that this highlights that, yes, there are challenges like there are in every mining project, but actually because of our size and grade, we should be a very economic project.
The one thing that really interests me as well is the exploration upside, because I mean, Tom and Jason, I believe Tom has been known for 50 years, and most of the work has been there, obviously, but SEDEX deposits tend to happen in clusters, and a lot of that land package doesn't seem to has been explored to the same level.
Yeah, both Tom and Jason have always been the focus of the operators of this project when they were together or apart, and there's more to it than that. Despite both of them having upside, expansion potential in themselves, having not really been sterilized at all in terms of step outs, as you say, these things are in clusters. We see this in every SEDEX system. This margin, this basin margin, there's not going to be just one or two productive systems in it. We know there's at least three.
So over the next 12 months, what should we expect from Fireweed Zinc for investors and ourselves who are investors in the company?
Well, the first big catalyst is going to be the PEA, which is coming in 2 or 3 months. And then on the back of that, what we're going to see is a summer program that, yes, is about de-risking, and it's about pushing the asset forward, but it's also going to be about growing it and demonstrating the exploration potential. And when you've got a project that's already, by many standards, world-class in terms of size and grade, if you can continue to grow it, then it becomes like it's gravy, right? Like it takes you from a world-class asset to potentially a generational asset if we can prove up enough there. So there's no shortage of catalysts for this stock in the coming year.
Great. Fantastic. So Fireweed Zinc, CEO Brendan Macdonald. Thank you, Brendan.
Thank you very much, Joe.
Thank you.